Hello guys, today I am going to explain about number of 1 bits in Leet code. The question is, write a function that takes an unsigned integer and returns the number of 1 bits it has. So, and this is also called as a Hamming weight. So we have to return how many ones are there in the given n. So this is the binary format of n. So if you see here, we are having 3 ones, right? So we have to return 3. And if you see the example 2, we are having only 1 so we have to return 1. And if you see here, we are having so many ones. Actually this is integer type, right? So it will be having 32 bits, and here only 1 is 0, so we can say that remaining 31 are ones, so we have to return 31 here. Yeah, let's see how can we do that. Yeah, one up, we have to find the number of ones, right? We can say 1 as set bit or true or on also. So we have to find the number of ones in a given binary string. So for example, this is a number. Assume that we are having 32 zeros to the left side. The one way what we can do is, we can check that every bit whether it is whether it is set or not. How can we see that is 1 left shift by I times, right? So that first we will get 1 here, and we will perform AND operation. If we get the non-zero result, actually we will get here 1, because 1 and 1 is 1, right? So if we get the non-zero result, we will take a variable called count, and we will increment the count. Whenever we find the non-zero value, then we will increment the count. Okay, so like this we can find. Okay, we found this is 1, and next we come here and we will again do the AND operation. So what we will get is, we will get 1 here and all zeros. Okay, so all will be these all will be zeros. So like this we have to check for every bit whether that is 1 or not. So whether if it is 1, we are incrementing the count. Like this, this is the one way to find the ones. This is not an efficient way, and we will discuss about the efficient one. So that is nothing but we have to do the n and n minus 1 until this result becomes 0. We have to do this operation. Say for example, if n is this is the binary format of 15, right? So we have to perform AND operation with n minus 1, means with 14, right? So what will I get if I perform AND operation for these two? See, 1 will be gone, right? The result will be nothing but zero, and now this will become n. Okay, now this will become n. So now again what I have to do, this equals to 0, this is not equals to 0, right? So I have to do the same process again. So this is the n. Now I have to do AND operation with n and n minus 1. So now n minus 1 will be this value is 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. So now n minus will be 13, right? So now I will do again n and n minus 1. So what the result now I will get is, yeah, okay, 1 and 1 is 1, and next 1, and these both will be 0. See, now we can observe that now another 1 is gone. So whenever we are performing this operation, if it is not equals to 0, we will take a variable count. Initially we will take that as 0, and if n and n minus 1 not equals to 0, we will increment the count. Okay, so here now count will be 1, count will be 2 here, and this is not equals to 0, right? So again we have to perform n and n minus 1. So now it will be like, so what I'll get, if I do AND operation for this, we will get 1 here and all will be zeros. Okay, so this is also not equals to 0. So now again now the count will be here 3. See, now again this is not equals to 0, right? Now I have to perform n and n minus 1. So what that will be, now the n minus 1 will be, the n is 8 right now. If we perform AND operation for this, all bits will become 0 now. So now the count will update it to 4 here. When we check again this, now the n is equals to 0, so we will stop here. This is another approach to solve to find the number of set bits in a given binary string. So let's dive into the code. Initially what I will do is I will take a count as 0 and I will run the loop until my n becomes 0, right? So what I am doing is n and n minus 1. Always updating the n and incrementing the count. Finally what I am returning is, I am returning count. I'll just run and check it. Yeah, this has accepted, and I'll submit and see. This is the solution for this, guys.